What is going on, gang? It is your boy Billsuccess coming back with you guys with another video. As you can see from the title, I'll be doing an unboxing video of all these shoes. I'm super hyped up to be doing this video. I'm not gonna lie, it feels so good to be shooting this video. Alright, let's jump straight into this video. Before we get straight into this video, I might say shout outs to each and every one of you that asked me how to purchase from the Poizon app in my previous videos and everything. I appreciate you guys for the support. These shoes were actually bought like a couple months ago, so I didn't actually film the processing and getting it, but I promise you all in the future videos I will actually do well to film in the step-by-step process on how to actually purchase from the Poizon app, because Poizon app is one of the most coolest apps to get all your original sneakers and high beast stuffs from. So yeah, with that being said, let's jump straight into the video. Let's go. Yeah, like I said, these shoes were gotten from the Poizon app, and I'll only be doing unboxing for them, and in the future videos I'll be showing y'all the review and how they look on feet. So kindly do well to subscribe and put on post notifications if you've not done that, so as to get notified whenever I drop in the future. Let's get straight into it. These are the sneakers right here, and yeah, like I said again, let's get into it. So the first sneaker over here, the first shoe is the Drew Crocs. As you can see the box, Drew. This box is actually the box for the purple colorway of the Drew Crocs, but the Drew Crocs that are actually inside this box are yellow. Why is that the case? When I purchased these Crocs, I told them I fuck with the box. You know what I'm saying? You know, the yellow colorway of the Drew Crocs didn't come with a box. It just came with like plastic kind of thing. If you actually know about the Drew Crocs, you know what I'm talking about. The yellow colorway didn't come with a box, but the purples did. So they told me I have to pay extra amount for the box. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I paid for the Drew Crocs and an extra amount for the box as well. I feel like this box is so dope. It has some teddy bears on it and it says Drew all over it. So that was it. That's actually why I have the yellow Crocs in the purple box. All right, let's get straight into it. Oh, so is it? There's it actually. Before that, let me tell you something. I obviously won them. Yeah, they are beating up. I actually won them, obviously. This is it. This is the Drew Crocs. I won them a couple of times, as you can see. I couldn't afford to just put them down, so it comes with these tags. I'll show you all the review in future videos, so stick around. So that has been it for the Drew Crocs. Let's go on to the next sneaker, and it is this box right here. Yeah, this box right here, which is the AJ4 Black Hats. Oh man, this is so dope, bro. This is so nice. Ooh. Look how they look so fresh. They look so clean. I like this vibe, I'm not gonna lie. What y'all think? Let me know in the comment section down below. Yeah, review coming soon. This is just an unboxing video, so let's get straight into the next box, the next sneaker I got, which is this right here. What is it? Yeah, before that, I couldn't keep most of the boxes. I had to throw them away because I had to change rooms because my old room had a problem, so they had to move us to a different room actually. So I had to get rid of most of the boxes. So this is it. This is how the Poizon box looks like. See, it has Poizon, the Poizon app logo over here with Poizon written with my details over there. This is how it looks like. If you have been watching my videos, you already know. So let's get straight into it. What is this? Oh, okay. Yeah, these are the New Balances 5. These are the New Balances 574s. I actually love how the packaging is. It's so simple, like so simple. And of course, when these came, I couldn't wait, bro. I just wanted to see how they look on feet, so I obviously like won them. You know what I'm saying? They are beat. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, they look good. Let me know in the comment section how these look, how y'all feel about these. If you have these too, let me know in the comment section. I actually fuck with the gray color, that's why I bought them, and I felt like they would look good with sweatpants. So I bought them to just complement my sweatpants. Alright, so let me know if you have the New Balance 574s in your sneaker collection. I feel like every gent's gotta have these. You know what I'm saying? Let me know how y'all feel about this. Review coming soon. The next sneaker is oh, obviously, bro, this is a must have for each and every guy or each and every single person. You know what I'm saying? Each and every teenager. This is a must have for you. You might at least have these, like 1 or 2 in your collection, which is a pair of Air Forces. I mean the white ones, but you can't go wrong with these. I have 2 of these. I'll be getting a pair soon. These are a pair of Air Forces. They look so clean, they're so dope, they're so comfortable. Can't go wrong with these. So yeah, as I said, this is just an unboxing review coming soon. Yeah, let me know if you have a pair of Air Forces in your collection. Let me know in the comment section down below. Guess what the next sneaker is? I don't really know, but let's get straight into the next sneaker, which is boom, this right here. Oh my. Oh my. Yo, guess what? This is actually an off-white sneaker, bro. Bro, I fuck with this sneaker a lot. I don't know if you don't fuck with Converses, but lately I've been into Converses a lot. I had to like cop several pairs of Converses cause they dope, and this was one of them. From the look of the box, guess the sneaker in the comment section down below. Right now, I'm giving you like 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What? I guess you're right. These are the off-white Converses, bro. Damn. Look at them, bro. Bro, look at them. Look at them, bro. Yeah, these are the off-white Converses. I cannot wait to actually show you how they look on feet. Yeah, stick around. Yeah, so getting into it is this box right here, which is, oh, like I told y'all how much I love Converses nowadays. Guess what? Yeah, these are the Comme des Garçons Converse Play, bro. I love Converses nowadays, bro. I'm pretty much into Converses nowadays, so let's get into it. Let's unbox them. Ooh. Look how clean they are, though. Look at the color. Just look at the color. I fuck with them. I fuck with the color. I love the leather. I love how everything is just on point. You know what I'm saying? The color is not too loud. Though we have red there, it's not too loud. It's just simple. Let me know what you think about these in the comment section. I feel like these are simple. Let me know your opinions. And review coming soon. Let's get it. And yeah, last but not least is this box right here. Wait, what? Okay, let me tell you a little story behind this box right here. I actually wanted to like switch my style in terms of my shoes. I wanted to get a pair of each shoe that is out. I feel like if you are into shoes and you don't have certain pairs, you are not really into shoes. You know what I'm saying? That's why I actually got these. But then I wanted it to be a little bit different. You know what I'm saying? So I feel like a pair of Air Max 97s are not bad. So let me know if it's a L or a W in the comment section. Man. Sure. Yeah. Yeah. Sure. This is a pair of Air Max 97s. Let's open it. Ooh. Let me know what you think about them. Let me know how they look. So yeah, there's the Air Max 97s. Of course, when they came, I actually wanted to like step out in them. So I went to Apple Store with these when I was going to get my AirPod Maxes. So these are actually dope. This is actually nice. Yeah, if you want to see more of these, subscribe. Don't forget to leave a like. So yeah, that's been it for this video. Don't forget to follow me on all my socials, most especially on Instagram at Billsuccess, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and don't also forget to leave comments in the comment section. Yeah, without all this, it wouldn't be a YouTube channel. Put on post notifications, reviews coming soon. All right, it's been your boy Billsuccess, and I'm out.